Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install new Artifacts game on Android phone. So without wasting time, let's follow these steps. So open Google Chrome and in Google Chrome search for new Artifacts and then search for it, and then open the artifacts.dragonnest.com official website, and then here you will see the download button. Now if this game is available in your country, then you can tap on download on the App Store to download the game on your iOS devices, and if you have the Android phone, then you can click on get it on Google Play button to install the game. But this will only work if this game is available in your country. Now if you don't have this game in your country, then tap on the download button. This will ask you, do you want to download? Click on download anyway and then click on details. You can see new Artifacts APK file is getting downloaded on my Android phone. So just wait for this to get downloaded and then we can go ahead to install it. So just wait for this APK file to get downloaded, and once the APK file get downloaded, then tap on it, then select the package installer. You can see, do you want to install this app? Then click on install. Just wait, new Artifacts game is getting installed on your phone, and then you can click on done or open. You can click on open to launch the new Artifacts game, or you can also click on done to confirm. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download and install new Artifacts game on your Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.